Welcome back everyone, Sean Stevens here again with Metroplex Mortgage Services and another USDA Loan Pro video quick tip. Now today's topic is a common question I receive, and in this short video I will break down the specifics so you will be in the know and help keep your transaction from falling through the cracks. In order to maximize your USDA sales price, calculating all available income is critical. However, because everyone is not paid the same, it is also important to understand the most recent and updated qualifying guidelines on how to calculate USDA overtime income, bonuses, and commissions. In today's video, I'll show you how to make the most out of your USDA loan qualification by reviewing the improved and increased flexibility provided for these types of income sources. Plus, if you are ready to take the next steps towards understanding the USDA process, download our USDA Blueprint for Success free report, which is designed to give you an overview of the USDA home loan process, eligibility requirements, and much more. Download it for free today. As a quick review, USDA guidelines group income into two categories. Annual income is used when calculating USDA Income Eligibility Limits. Repayment income is used to calculate debt ratios and the USDA maximum qualifying loan amount. As for the income that can be used for determining your loan qualification, USDA provides qualifying flexibility for the following different types of income sources: overtime, bonuses, and commissions. The good news is that these requirements have recently changed and are now greatly improved. USDA previously required a 2-year history for income that was earned from overtime, bonuses, and commissions. However, updated USDA guidelines now only require a 1-year history for us to count this income towards your USDA qualifying sales price. While it is ideal that these types of earnings are from the same place of employment, this is not required either. Additionally, while the continuance of this type of income will be presumed unless there is documented evidence that the income will cease, USDA guidelines will require that underwriters must analyze overtime for the current pay period and year-to-date earnings. Significant variances of 20% or greater in income from the previous 12 months must be analyzed and documented before considering the income stable and dependable. And most importantly, remember, we are just a phone call away. As a USDA approved lender, we have the experience and expertise to help you maximize your qualifying ability. Just call or email to discuss your scenario and let us show you the Metroplex difference. As always, I want everyone to make it a great day and look forward to seeing you right here for the next tip of the week.